How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about how to get workers' compensation insurance here in the state of Michigan. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe, and if you find the video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like and share it with anyone else that you think might find it helpful as well. When it comes to getting workers' compensation insurance here in Michigan, there are typically three main options that people will look into. First is going to be going direct to an insurance company, and then there's also going the captive insurance company route or working with an independent agent like myself. So let's break all these down. First, it is important to note that workers' compensation is required by law here in the state of Michigan to carry for most businesses with employees. So not having the right coverage in place can lead to penalties and fines. So it is very important to make sure that you are in compliance. Now let's talk about your options. Going directly with an insurance company might sound like a simple, easy option, but in this scenario, you are essentially acting as your own insurance agent. That means if you miss a key discount, misinterpret a certain coverage, or select a policy that actually doesn't fit your business, then all of that responsibility and liability falls on you. And in many cases, going direct, the rates aren't even necessarily lower, and in some cases they can even be higher because you might not know about all of the discounts that your business could have access to, like an independent agent would know about. Next, there are captive insurance companies. These are the larger, big brand name insurance companies that you might be familiar with, and they represent one single insurance carrier. So they might offer fair rates, decent service, but you are stuck with just that one single insurance company option. So if that company's coverage or price doesn't fit your needs, then you could be out of luck. Now finally, there is the independent agent route. Independent agents work with multiple insurance companies in order to find the best coverage and price fit for your business. And oftentimes independent agents don't just stop at finding and placing coverage for your business, but are also there to provide support throughout the year at renewal, and most importantly is when there is a claim and supporting your business during that time. Navigating the claims process with an agent can make everything go a lot smoother and ensure that your business is disrupted as little as possible when an accident does occur. So that can be a huge benefit to working with an independent agent. Another important factor with all of this is audits. Workers' compensation insurance is subject to an audit at the end of the policy period because initial workers' comp premiums are typically based on estimated payrolls, and at the end of the policy period, the insurance company will conduct an audit to make sure that those payroll numbers and the class codes that they have associated with those payroll amounts are accurate. When you do work with an independent agent, we can help guide you through this process. Independent agents can also provide access to bundling opportunities. If your business needs more than just workers' comp, such as general liability, commercial auto, property, whatever it may be, we can try to help find one insurance company that could underwrite all lines of coverage for your business to help bring the price down. Along with this is that independent agents could have access to specialized carriers that have coverage for specific industries and just overall more competitive pricing that might not be available through a direct insurance company or captive insurance company. With all this being said, when you do work with an independent agency, one of the biggest benefits is that you are not taking on the liability of being the agent yourself. We are licensed professionals and we carry professional liability insurance to protect you in case something does go wrong. And again, we know where to look for potential discounts, how to navigate the insurance marketplace as a whole, and find your business the right coverage. So if you are looking for help with your workers' compensation insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to reach out directly or comment down below. I would love to help answer those questions as well. So thank you again.